After a small business entrepreneur has invested time and revenues into developing a functional new product, such as this one, that can easily convert a gymnasium that is also used as an emergency shelter into a facility that uses solar power in the form of natural daylighting to provide lighting during daytime hours as seen above, the next step in the process is to ensure that the product meets all of the current Florida building codes concerning storm mitigation. For most small business owners, obtaining building code certification can be extremely intimidating due to the fact that it is their first exposure working with professional structural engineers and certified testing laboratories. Your University of South Florida's Energy Conservation Assistance Program's affiliation with our Florida Small Business Development Centers helps the entrepreneur obtain the proper certifications to ensure the safety of all Floridians. By networking the entrepreneur with the proper authorities at our Department of Community Affairs Codes and Standards Division, and then assisting them in obtaining the services of qualified engineers and a testing laboratory, we expedite the process and in doing so save the Florida small business owner thousands of dollars in additional overhead. The actual testing procedures are relatively simple. Once the new product has arrived at the testing laboratory, the first step is to build a target board in which the project is mounted for the hurricane projectile test. The product target board is then secured into the target frame housing. A projectile cannon that shoots a 2x4 stud at speeds up to 80 miles an hour is then loaded and moved into position. The 2x4 projectile is then fired into the surfaces of the new product that would normally be exposed to the outside elements, such as hurricanes, tornadoes, or other natural disasters. If the product withstands the impact caused by the 2x4 projectile and does not lose its watertight integrity, as did all of the models seen in this test, the product is accepted and certified as meeting all applicable Florida building and mitigation codes. Your Florida Energy Office's Energy Conservation Assistance Program's continued efforts to assist small business entrepreneurs involved with the design and development of environmental, energy conservation, and mitigation products ensures that all of the citizens of the state of Florida will have access to the highest quality consumer products at a reasonable cost while reducing our state's dependency on imported oil, coal, and their negative effects on our environment.